Let's make salata tahina, or tahini sauce. This creamy and tangy sauce is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, and it balances the rich flavors of meat and fish. First, we'll start by about 1/4 cup of sesame paste. Add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of water and keep stirring until the sesame paste starts crumbling. Now add vinegar or lemon juice until the paste becomes creamy again. Now add just enough water until you reach your desired consistency. Some like it a little bit runny, some like it thicker. Season with salt, 2 cloves of garlic, and a little bit of cumin. If you find your sauce too runny, add a little bit more of sesame paste. If you find it too thick, add more water. Garnish with parsley. You can use fresh or dried, and your tahini sauce is ready to go.